Hey everyone, welcome back to Factic. I'm Barry Alex, and today we're diving into our top picks for the top 5 car phone holders of 2025. Whether you're commuting to work, embarking on a road trip, or just need easy access to your phone while driving, having a reliable car phone holder is essential for safety and convenience. In this video, we'll be breaking down the standout features, installation processes, and performance of each mount, helping you find the perfect holder that fits your needs and style. From magnetic mounts to those that fit snugly in cup holders, we've got a range of options for every driver. Plus, we'll highlight what makes each product unique and why they deserve a spot in your car. If you want more information about these phone holders, check out the links in the description below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more tech reviews. So, without further ado, let's get started. Number 5. The WixGear magnetic mount offers simplicity and convenience with minimal setup. It magnetically attaches to your phone, and if your phone isn't magnetic, included plates can easily be placed between your phone and case. While the vent-mounted design is user-friendly, prolonged exposure to extreme temperatures might impact durability over time. The rubberized design ensures a quality feel, and the magnetic hold is strong enough to keep your phone in place during most drives. This mount is ideal for users seeking a fuss-free, no-frills car phone holder that gets the job done without hassle. Number 4. The TOPGO cup holder phone mount is an excellent budget-friendly option for those seeking a reliable way to keep their phones within easy reach while driving. Installation is a breeze. Simply place the mount in your vehicle's cup holder and twist the base to secure it tightly. It fits snugly in most cup holders and can accommodate phones up to 4 to 7 inches wide, making it versatile for various devices. While the mount remains stable when installed, the gooseneck design can cause some wobbling during bumpy rides, which may be more pronounced in sportier vehicles with stiffer suspensions. This mount is ideal for drivers who want to avoid blocking air vents, as it uses a cup holder instead. However, its height may pose a challenge for those with closer cup holders, potentially obstructing visibility. Despite these minor drawbacks, the TOPGO cup holder phone mount offers a practical and efficient solution for safely navigating with your smartphone. Number 3. The Scosche MagicMount stands out as one of the most user-friendly car phone holders available today. Installation is a breeze, taking less than 5 minutes to set up, making it ideal for those who want a quick and hassle-free experience. Its magnetic attachment system works effectively, but it requires precise alignment. Otherwise, your phone may slip off the mount. The strong adhesive base ensures a solid connection to your dashboard, and the overall build quality feels durable, even though it comes in a compact size. One of its best features is that it maintains a strong hold even through various phone cases, allowing users to keep their devices protected while driving. The sleek and minimalist design is not only attractive, but also enhances the aesthetics of any car interior. Plus, the affordable price point makes it a great option for budget-conscious users. However, it's worth noting that occasional misalignment with the magnet could lead to phone movement during bumpy drives. Overall, the Scosche MagicMount is a reliable choice for anyone looking for a simple, effective car phone holder. Number 2. The iOttie Easy One Touch 5 car mount is designed for users who value both security and flexibility in their phone mounting solutions. It features a highly sticky suction cup that ensures a secure attachment, making it incredibly reliable. However, installation may be challenging due to limited adjustability once the suction cup is placed. The mount can be used in both vertical and horizontal orientations, allowing users to customize their viewing preferences. Its telescoping arm is another bonus, making it easy to adjust the angle for optimal visibility. Even on rough and uneven roads, the mount holds strong, showing no signs of loosening or losing its grip on the phone. Its sturdy build quality adds a sense of durability and longevity. While it's designed for both dashboard and windshield mounting, caution should be exercised when using it on dashboards to avoid potential damage. Overall, the iOttie Easy One Touch 5 is a solid, versatile option for those seeking reliable performance on the road. Number 1. The Andobil car phone holder excels in versatility, making it a great choice for a wide range of drivers. It offers 3 different mounting options: dashboard, windshield, or air vent, catering to various preferences. The telescoping arm and adjustable angles ensure that you can always position your phone exactly where you need it, whether for navigation or hands-free calls. Once securely installed, the holder remains stable and firm, even on rough or uneven roads. The quick release button adds to the convenience, allowing you to remove your phone with a simple press. Additionally, there's a dedicated space to insert a charging cable, ensuring your phone remains charged throughout the drive. The robust design and quality construction make it suitable for daily commutes and long road trips. Whether you're navigating city streets or embarking on an extended journey, this phone holder proves to be a reliable, user-friendly companion. The Andobil offers impressive functionality, combining ease of use with excellent stability. And these are the best car phone holders of 2025. If you want more information about any of these car phone holders, you will find the links in the description below. And if you found this video useful, then like the video and also hit that subscribe button. And if you have any question or suggestion for our next comparison or review, feel free to comment below. Until then, goodbye and take care.